Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add photos to Polarsteps. We have our Polarsteps app, we're going to open it right now. And then we're going to scroll from the bottom to the top to select a trip. So we have the winter vacay, so we're going to tap on it. And then at the bottom area here, you have your sections or steps. You can see New York, Schuyler, Virginia, and Lake Fork, Illinois. So we're choosing Lake Fork, Illinois in order to add a photo. And now we have the edit step button right here. We're going to tap on it just around the top right area here. And there you have add photos and videos. All you need to do is to tap on this in order to add your photos and videos. When you tap on it, it's going to give you some options. Take a photo, choose from library, or photos on the 11th of January. Now, why this suggestion is there is because the arrival date, as you can see right here, is 11th of January. So maybe you took pictures or photos on that day. You can go ahead and choose photos from that specific date. And this is a great option because you don't have to go through your gallery and start scrolling to that particular date. So of course, you can use any of these options. And this is how you get to add photos to Polarsteps.